If Longboard was just a product, we would not stand out in the marketplace. Longboard Products today is a product line primarily focused on cladding products for commercial and high-end residential buildings.
It's pretty clear that the building environment is starting to change, and we've built this building in anticipation of that change.
When we first began, it was literally in our backyard in the lower mainland of British Columbia. We spread across Western Canada, Central Canada, down into the States. Last year we put a little over 5 million square feet of product all over North America.
Longboard is well positioned to enable and assist architects, designers, installers, contractors to design and build buildings that are energy efficient, that will reduce carbon emissions, minimize waste, and at the same time also enhance occupant comfort levels, wellness and health.
We start with an 8-inch diameter log of aluminum, and we put it through a heating process. It comes out of the log oven, sheared into what we call a billet. That billet is loaded into the press. We exit out the press 200 feet, we stretch it, we cool it, we run it through a finish saw, cut it to a stock length. And then we put it through an aging process to make sure the mechanical properties that are designed into it are achieved for hardness, stiffness, that type of thing. Then we take that piece of aluminum, run it through our vertical powder coating line, and then we go to the final decorating process where we take and tattoo ink into the powder coat finish.
It's about developing new products. It's about developing a better way. It's about developing things that are easier to use for the consumer. In doing that, you need to have a pretty novel approach, and you got to be constantly looking to improve not just the way you produce, but what you're producing.
We spent a tremendous amount of time planning every detail of the facility, traveling around the world, as many places as Dubai, Australia, Germany, Spain, France, looking at different facilities and understanding technology around the world and what kind of facility we could produce and how it would grow over a 10-year period. So we spent a lot of time planning very specific details throughout the facility to produce the highest quality products that we can with the best technology available.
Buildings today are getting more and more complex. The demands on these buildings are becoming more strenuous. We're expecting these buildings to perform without impacting the environment negatively around them, while keeping the interior as comfortable as possible for the occupants. We meet that challenge by not only knowing everything there is to know about our product, but how it interacts with every component of that building.
We also are broadening the product line on the exterior side. We've got a very exciting future ahead of us. We've got a team of very committed people. We are going to be part of changing the face of what architecture looks like. That's pretty cool.